Healthcare workers are among the first to be vaccinated this week. Dr. Mallika Marshall explains the distribution process for these frontline workers.
So it's important to remember it's not all healthcare workers. It really is those healthcare workers that are coming into direct contact with patients with COVID-19, as Christina explained earlier. So emergency room workers, people working on COVID floors and in the ICU and urgent cares and testing centers. And why it's so important to vaccinate these people first is because they're the backbone of our healthcare system. I'm hearing more and more reports of healthcare workers getting sick and having to leave their jobs either because they're sick or because they're having to quarantine, and that puts a real strain and burden on our healthcare system. So if you want to have the bodies there to take care of the people who are likely to get sick in the coming months, and as we know, this is some of the darkest days of the pandemic, then we really need to protect those workers first. Not only so they don't get sick, but also so they don't transmit the virus to their patients or to their families at home.